Like, what the fuck are you honking at? Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, hot ass mess. Well, at least I feel like it, okay? Y'all, I have not slept in a day. Before we get into this video, make sure that you guys like and subscribe, comment something nice. Otherwise, I don't want to hear it. Today is the big day, you guys. I'm so fucking excited. Let me show y'all. This is my old room. As you can see, she is empty. I just got finished cleaning the carpet. It looks so weird with no furniture in here, y'all. And there's a damn echo. But for those who do not know, I live in Fayetteville, North Carolina, but I did recently sign my lease. I'm moving from Fayetteville to Atlanta, Georgia. And this is gonna be like the start of my moving series. I don't really know how many vlogs is gonna be in this series, but I do wanna share the process with you guys just because without you guys, I literally wouldn't be here. And I'm not trying to like sound all soppy and shit. I'm just speaking truth. Like, I really appreciate all the support that you guys give me day in and day out. That's the thing, all this shit started with a YouTube video. And here I am moving to Atlanta, Georgia, okay? Of course it's still for my career, but I mean, I can't believe I'm moving. But my people just pulled up, so I'm about to just go load up my car with a whole bunch of junk. Look at all this stuff we have, y'all. Well, it's not even we, this is me. Like, this is after my truck is loaded, and I still have plenty of stuff I gotta put in my car. But yeah, you guys, I'm probably gonna be hitting the road soon, so I'll hit y'all up when I get to Atlanta. We're here. I'm here in Atlanta. So this is my stuff, my car. So the moves is right now to unhook this so that I can have my car, and then we're going to back. I hope I don't get copyrighted. We're going to back my truck and then get my apartment furnished. Like, what the fuck are you honking at? Listen, I'm from Fayetteville, North Carolina. What is going on? What? Shit. So, I have officially made it to my apartment. I'm currently in my bedroom right now. However, the light does not work. The bedroom light doesn't work. So, I think what we're gonna do is just hold off on giving you guys like the apartment tour. Look at the fucking view, you guys. Anyways, I don't have my gimbal right now, so if the footage is a little shaky, I'm sorry. Oh, here it is.
When you go out, right, and right. Yeah, go right, like walking down U-Haul face down, take a right. When you get to the end of the tunnel, take another right.
That's gonna tell you to put it on the desk.
I ain't gonna get lost.
Alright, well.
I'm one of them ones. I'm just looking at it. I was just sitting here looking and looking. I'm looking at these wings.
Oh God, they're not answering for real now.
I'm already thinking 5 and 5, and I get the nachos. And I'd be good. In the morning, try something else.
Oh no!
Maybe I'll just keep on following them. How about that?
They didn't change their hours for the COVID. That's why they regular hours. And they didn't update their stuff. These are like those balls. God, I can't get them balls on my head. They even mushy.
That's it in the restaurant. You talking about Colorado?
This looks like they used everything that they had left and just made something.
When I first seen it, I thought it was some French fries.
French fries. This is French fries with look like feta cheese on top with steak.
It just looks like a whole bunch of shit just thrown onto
It's
a plate.
the stuff that they had left over, and they're gonna, I bet some big fancy name they're gonna give it to us.
Ordering everything. I'm out here talking, running my mouth.
That's a movie.
No, this nigga got me on camera right here. Look at this fucking shit here. On us. Got me, this country ass nigga from North Carolina, up in Atlanta.
Hey you guys, so it's been a few days later. I've been able to have a few days to myself to like settle into the place, the area, get acclimated with the area. Moving on your own for like the first time, it was a lot to do, it was a lot to take in, it was very overwhelming. So that along with trying to vlog, it was a lot to handle at the same time. But I'm finally settled in just a little bit. The place is still a little empty, but shit is put away. So I will be giving you guys empty/unfurnished apartment tour. So let's just go ahead and start from the front door. So this is the view when you first walk in. It's like a mini hallway here. Then you got a light up here. I'm gonna take you over here to the kitchen first. So this is the kitchen. It's all stainless steel appliances. We have the refrigerator, which is fucking huge, you guys. Like, it just makes no sense. Like, this is the size of the refrigerator at home. And of course, she's empty. I just picked up some stuff that I knew I'd want to eat over the course of a few days, and so I'm gonna be doing some real grocery shopping soon. As you can see, the cabinets are like a really white gloss finish. The countertops are quartz, which I thought was really, I never knew I like quartz as much as I do. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got like little crystals in the countertop itself. Then as you can see, the kitchen is already somewhat finished. It's essentially finished. And then over here we have more storage, which is like Bella's food and stuff. I do have my dining set here. The theme for this apartment is like a navy blue, white, gray theme. Everything is gonna be navy blue, white, and gray basically. Here are my glasses, my cup. And then I think these are empty, yeah. Here's like my junk food. This is all my junk food that I have, you guys. Don't fucking laugh at me. And then I think there's more stuff over here. And I have my cereal. But this is it for the kitchen, you guys. So this is what the rest of the floor plan looks like. Obviously, this unit did not come with an island, so I'm gonna have to like get my own dining table, which it's whatever. How everything is set up now is not how everything will be set up when I get the rest of my furniture in here. This is my old bookshelf. I think I'm gonna get a new one because in the process of moving, it broke, like the brackets are broke, so it's like not sturdy at all. This is my clothing rack, some shoes, Bella's bed, and a shitload of her toys. And then my mirror, which this one is probably gonna end up in my bedroom. And I'm gonna get a frameless mirror to put out here because I really like those. I feel like every YouTuber has one, but what the fuck ever. And then this is my desk, which you guys should remember from Vlogmas. I decided to switch it up this time. I flipped the glass over so you see the glass side, not the metallic white side. Just because it's already a lot of white in here, so I think I like the glass side better because it has a little bit of a tint to it. So over here towards the front of the door, towards the front door, we have a, I guess it's like a coat closet, but I'm just using this to store random shit. This might be Bella's closet. As you can see, she has, you know, her own closet or whatever. She has this Louis V shirt, but it just doesn't fucking fit her anymore. I have my iron, and then that's her crate with more of her toys. I have a mop. And then I'm gonna take you guys over. I don't know what this room is. I need to call the front desk because the key they gave me does not fit this. Like, what the fuck is this? Someone could be behind here. And then into my bedroom, here is my walk-in closet, which is a mess right now, you guys. So obviously I have no clothes in here because they're all in this box, and I haven't even got the rest of my shit up out of the car. I still have to unpack all of my clothes, and I'm pushing it off. They're all in my car, but you can kind of get a gist as to how big the closet is, which I think it's a decent size. I just have junk, some old camera equipment. And then this is the bedroom, which is huge, but you can't tell because the bed takes up the whole room. I'm gonna get my TV mounted right here. This is my old like bench. Hey Bella. Hey, we haven't seen you in a while, Bella. I'm surprised with how comfortable Bella is in this place, you guys. Over here in the corner is my heater. This is the old Bluetooth speaker, my other banana plants. And then you get the same view of the city from the bedroom. I'm just not going to show you because, like I said, I'm not trying to get robbed. And then this is my nightstand. I'm getting a new lamp just because I don't like the white on white on white look. There's nothing wrong with this lamp in the meantime, so I'm not in any hurry. Okay. into the bathroom, which has the same like quartz countertop finish with the little crystals in it, which I really fucking love, you guys. This whole apartment is like modern, but it's still masculine, you feel me? This is just my junk up here. I have some sanitizer, mouthwash, a water pick, my glasses. This is my shower. I need to get the little things to put on the rod. In the meantime, my shower curtain is just tied up. They're packed up somewhere, I just don't know where. And I have plenty of storage. Here is my washer and dryer. As you can see, they are stacked. And you guys, these are quiet as fuck. I washed my sheets last night and I did not hear any noise whatsoever. So we live for that. But that is basically it. That is the apartment tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed. So how this is gonna work is I'm gonna wrap up this video here. This is gonna be a series, the whole, you know, furnishing my apartment, getting shit together, getting settled in the apartment. I'm gonna make it, you know, like a vlog series. I'm gonna upload on my main channel. But I do have some more stuff to take care of in regards to the apartment. But I'm gonna end this vlog here. And I actually just wanna thank you guys for everything. I'm just grateful for everything that I've been able to achieve, not only for myself, but along with you guys, you know? But yeah, I just wanna thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I'm trying to hit 200K this year. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video.